Hey everyone, welcome to this video. So I have some gorgeous products from Madam Glam to show you. This is some gels from the April collection, which is the Secret Garden collection. I have 5 gels to show you, plus their fiberglass base coat, which I'm going to do a little tutorial on, just showing you the packaging here where they show all their good stuff that they have going on, their HEMA free 21 free formula and all that information. So first of all we're going to get into the swatches. So we're going to go in with the cream color. This is called Bunny Bliss and it is a gorgeous pastel baby pink shade. It is absolutely the most perfect baby pink. I did have a little comparison to some of their other baby pinks that I have, which would be Lotus Fever and Egg Mania, and I have a couple others. Now this is different to all of those ones, so I really love this and I'm so glad to have it in my collection. It's really good in one coat as well, but 2 coats it's perfect. And then we're going to go on to the cat eyes. So these are like flash cat eyes, so they are a reflective glitter and they're also a cat eye. So I'm going to do, I'm just painting it onto the swatch stick here, and I'm just going to do it in one layer, and I'm just playing around with the magnet just to show you how the particles reflect. So yeah, they're absolutely gorgeous. So this is Blush Twinkle, and I am going to go on to the next one now. So we have Glazed Candy. I think, in my opinion, this one is just like, they're all actually really nice without pulling the cat eye as well. So if you wanted to have both, these would be a really good option. I think that'd be gorgeous at Christmas without even pulling the cat eye with it. But there it is when you activate the particles a little bit. And then next up we have Lime Flash, which is a gorgeous green. And as you can see when I'm painting it on here, you can already see the reflective glitters. They just work even with the light that I have on my desk here. You can see them reflecting, and then I'm just pulling a little cat eye just to show you. And then next up we have this sprinkle top coat, and this is it in all its glory. So I decided to show it over that swatch of Bunny Bliss because it's just such a nice pastel shade, and I think it's perfect for around Easter time and spring. Just has that little fun confetti look going on, so it's absolutely gorgeous. And then we have their Fiberglass Base Coat. So I'm going to do a full tutorial on this. I actually remove the nails that I have on off camera, and I'm going to do a manicure with this fiberglass. Okay, so this is a little sneak peek of how my nails actually turn out. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to just show you what my nails look like. I've taken off, I would say, 90% of the gel product that was on my nails, and I just left a really, really thin layer on. So I just wanted to check what my nails were like underneath as well. So yeah, it's important to check the health of your nails every now and again. If you're doing infills, it's just important to take off the nails or take them down as low as possible, just so you can see your own nails underneath and check the health of them. But yeah, I'm going to go in and I'm just straight away doing a layer of this fiberglass base coat. So it's kind of a thick product. It's not too thick, but it's definitely not a thin product. And you can kind of see the fiberglass little particles in it, but they do kind of shrink away. They don't stick out or anything like that. And yeah, it's just a really comfortable product to use. I'm looking forward to trying it on clients who maybe get a gel polish manicure, putting this underneath just to see how it holds up. But I'm also going to wear test it on myself, so I'm going to let you know how I get on with this, because yeah, I basically don't have any builder gel or anything on my nails. It's just this. So yeah, I'm just doing my usual, going in and covering the whole nail plate without touching the skin. And then we are going to grab Blush Twinkle, which is the cat eye, and I'm going to do a layer of this on my index, my pinky and my thumb, and I'm going to cure that. And then I'm going to go back in and I'm going to do another layer and then just play around with the magnet and pull the particles a little bit before I do the next part of the design. So I'm just going to let you watch this design in a little bit of peace and quiet, and I'll get back to you in a few. So next up I'm going in with Casual Friday, which is not a part of this collection, but I did buy it in their outlet section a couple of months ago and I love it. It's a real nude glitter and I'm going to go in with this as the base to my 2 French tip nails. So yeah, I'm going to do 2 coats. I'm going to do the second coat off camera, and once I have those cured, I'm going to grab Bunny Bliss from this Secret Garden collection and I'm going to go in and paint on my French. Just to let you know as well, I do have a discount code for Madam Glam for 35% off. I will leave the link in my description, so if you want to use it, all you got to do is click on the link and it will apply the 35% off if you select the pay as you go option. If you're a VIP member, you can just go ahead and select that option, but if you are not a VIP member, just select pay as you go and that 35% off will work for you. So yeah, I'm just painting my little French with this baby pink here. It's an absolutely stunning baby pink. I really like it. I know my clients are going to love this pink as well. And yeah, I'm just going in with my long liner brush and kind of just eyeballing the French as I always do. Just go in and start painting it on it. That's just how I love doing Frenches. I always say, I don't really map them out or anything. I just go in and paint them out. So that is, yeah, that's my favorite way to do French tips. And then just filling it in with that same brush as well. I hope you're enjoying this video. If you are, please give it a thumbs up. And if you made it this far, thank you so much. I do appreciate you watching. And yeah, so once those are cured, then I'm going to go in with the same liner brush and I'm just going to put a glob on the end of the liner brush and I'm going to go in and draw some petals. So the easiest way to do this is to dip your liner brush into the gel. So I have all my gel left on the palette, so I just dip my liner brush into the gel and I leave a thicker glob at the very end of the liner brush. So I'm just going to show you right now. I leave a little thicker glob at the end and then I just go in and splodge it on. So just splodge on the 3 petals, and that is the simplest way to do these type of petals. So it just gives the perfect little petal shape, and then once you have that done, you can kind of join them up or whatever you want to do. Just leave very little product on your brush and just join them up like I'm doing here. Kind of pull them forward a little bit and drag them into the center. And yeah, I love doing those little corner petals. I think they're so cute. They really add to a design like this. And yeah, so I'm going to do the same on the other finger, and once I have that done, I'm going to pop them into cure and I'm going to top coat. So thank you so much again if you made it this far to the video. I am going to leave you here to watch the rest of the video and I will see you in the next one.